let's start. This is a Scratch project address. You can just open it. Okay, so the first level is just a trial level. You just push the star into any of the destinations using the arrow keys on the keyboard. That's it. Okay, stopped. Okay, so the next level will really start to play the game by trying different solutions, by trying the different methods. Okay, so usually for all of the star pusher games, I would say one tip is important is don't make your player don't make the star block any of the passages over here at the very beginning, of the game or in the middle of the game. Because usually if you block those passages over here, that means your player couldn't go down to this position and then go back, then usually your solution might be a failure. Let's start from this star. Push the star over here, and but if you continue push the star forward, then you couldn't pull it back because the game only support pushing, right? But fortunately, we're having an undo functionality over here, so just push U on the keyboard, and then it can undo the steps. Okay, so we make the player pass this passage, and then go to this position, push the star. And remember, don't push the star further to this position, because if you push the star over here, then it will block this passage. And the other two stars couldn't put into the proper position. Okay, now we go back, and when we push this star to this position, and the same reason you couldn't push the star further, move forward, because it will not come back. You couldn't pull the star back, and then we'll stuck over here, stuck in this column. So the correct way is to come back and pass this passage and then push forward. You can push the star over here or over here, either position is okay. And then this star at the end of the game, the last step, you can just push the star forward and then finally push the star to the final destination. And it will not influence the other stars movement. Okay, so this star will go this way. Again, we couldn't push it forward. So I need to again use this passage. And then now, because all the three stars are already in the proper position, getting ready to go into the destination. So I push this one first. Then I push this one inside. And we only have one star left. Go back. Then we are done.